Okay, let me display the output now. Now we have created the examination, only the question number 1. If I click any place in this slide, it's not navigating. If I click any place in this slides, it's not navigating. It's not navigating to anywhere. You can see it's not navigating. But if I click on the question, it's going to the question. But if I click somewhere, it's not navigating. I can go back to the home and the question. Home and the question. That's all. If I mark a wrong answer, it's going to the no. If I mark wrong answer, it's going to the no one. Then I can go to the home and go to the question and try again. Again, wrong answer. Again, no.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I didn't understand how did you take that no thing over there?
And if I go to question number 1, you can say it's correct. The answer number 1, correct. So then I need to add 1 mark to that as well. But that part I'm not going to do now. So let's keep it as it is. Okay. Can you do this quickly?
Okay, sir.
Doing it, sir.
What did you say? Tell?
Sir, that you did not something like taking it to the question and then again doing something.
Just put link. Right click and link. Right click and link to the place. Right? Right click and then you can give the link. That's all.
Right click and
okay. Question number 2. When you click this, yes. Then yeah. That animation is working now, right?
Yes, sir.
So what has happened? Automatically started working.
Yes, sir.
That's what I say. Okay. Question 2. Okay, that's done. Yeah, that is not started, but I think after some time maybe it will again start working, right? Okay, good. So now I think you can add the marking part, which you have to think. After marking, after giving the correct answer, you can show a slide, maybe to the ongoing slide. You can add the marks. 10 here, yes. Okay, show me.
sir, I will show after 10 years.
Okay. Yeah. Right, good. Okay. Just try to show it. Let's
Yes,
try to help. Not sure, but let's try.
1 minute, sir.
You can share, Hadisha.
1 second, I'm sharing now.
I'll try, but not sure, right?
Okay,
Yes.
we'll try, sir, because I also just wanted to try.
So why? What has happened? Not possible to share.
1 second, sir. Can you?
Meanwhile, others try to add the mark feature. So that means if you correctly mark something, so then you have to show you got 1 marks. Then if second one is also correct, then 2 marks. Likewise, the marks should be increasing. You are doing in Google Slides. Is it Google Slides?
Yes, sir.
In Google Slides, navigation has a problem, right?
Really?
So I thought that you are doing, you are having Word 365 in mobile.
Sir, we have Word 365?
Yeah, you can install it, but we have, that's a paid software. Office 365, and then you can just download and install that. So this is Google Slides.
Yeah.
Google Slides, I'm not sure the navigating process, how to go to the next slide and all, especially.
Can you give me a minute, sir? I will try to install some alternative.
Okay, so That you can try, but everything doing using mobile is like, it's okay, but you can do something similar, but not exactly the same that that you do in the computer. You cannot do the same thing, but you can do something similar.
Excuse me, sir. For the second question, do we have to add a Q2 sign as
Yeah, so you have to add.
Q1?
So I think you saw how Danuri has done. Denuri has done that. So she has
Yes,
added
sir.
Q2 here. And then the question number 2, let me show that if you are doing from the beginning, let me show that. Please see how I'm doing. I'll go to the question number 2. So which is in the right. Then I'll copy the question. This is question number 2. I'll take a screenshot. Then I'll go to my one and I'm adding the screenshot. So by inserting, I have already saved in the desktop, so I can insert it as a picture from file from the desktop. So this is the question. Then the actually the answers, you have to add the same thing. You have to insert shapes. Then I'm just adding 3 shapes, covering 3 answers. You have to tell that. You have to tell the exact 2 things, right? You have to tell answer number 1 is 2. Answer number 1, it is 2. Likewise, you have to tell answer number 2. Let's copy and paste. It is 3. And answer number 3, it is 5. Answer number 3, it is 5. So this, if this is actually done by, you can teach grade 5 students about this, as maybe you have brothers and sisters in grade 5. You can help them. Actually, you can ask them to create this kind of thing. You can train them. The advantage is they will automatically learn how to solve the scholarship paper. But they will actually think they are doing something with the computer. But as a result, they will also study for grade 5 scholarship. You can do this for your difficult subjects too. Let's say your science is difficult to you. You can start creating MCQ, automatic question paper for science using your own question paper, which is given at your school, or maybe using a past paper. You can create a paper like this, and automatically, as a result, you will learn science. It's asking A රූපයට සමාන රූපයක් ලබා ගැනීම සඳහා B රූපය සිදු කළ යුතු වෙනස්කම්. So this is, let's count the number of changes that you need to do in the number 2 shape. And so we have to find that, and this is a change. So you have to do that, and this is a change, 2 changes. What else? Is there any other change?
That rectangle.
This one.
This one is shorter than.
Yeah, it's not in the same size. It's a change. 3. Anything else?
No, sir. Only 3.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you see my video, sir?
Yeah.
Can you see this?
Microsoft. What is that?
Word.
That is Google Docs.
No, sir. This is not Google Doc. This is the Microsoft.
Work, write, edit, share, docs, the Go. I'm not sure whether you can do with, because I'm not sure with the mobile platform. You can try to install and see, right? Try to
Yes,
install.
sir. Try and then.
Okay, I think Denori, what was the answer? Is it answer number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let's take this as answer number 2. How to link? Then you can click. No need to treat no as again, because you can link to the same. Right click,
Or
link.
already finished, sir.
Sorry. Right click, link into the form, which is wrong, and this one right click, link into the correct one. That is slide number 4. Here this is, oh, this is correct one. Link into the slide number 5. And this, let's link to the slide number link to the slide number 4, which is wrong one. And we have to go here and add another one, that is question number 2, Q2. Right, and that should be linked to the edit link and should go to the number 3. I think that's it. Let's run this and see. When you click on number 1, you can mark the correct answer. Yes, good. Go back. Question number 2. 3. Correct. Question number 2. 5. Incorrect. No. Question number 2. Incorrect. Yeah, it's working. So only thing is add in marks. So that you have to think. That is a bit difficult one, a little bit difficult because you don't know how to do that. It's a challenge. I'll keep it as it is. So yeah, you can try to solve it and also try to create entire paper, at least 10 questions, 20 questions like this, right? At least, so if you can do this MCQ one with this system, then you can share it with your friends, maybe your brothers and sisters in grade 5. Okay, I'll stop from here.
I am installing. After installing, can you just tell me how to put that?
Okay, so if you have done that and if it is working, then I can help you. You can just send me a screenshot and tell me in WhatsApp. Maybe I can.
1 minute. So I am on.
Okay, then I'll stop from there. Good night. See you all next week.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Today I joined with WhatsApp. So how to